isa sa pinakamasarap na pakiramdam. Ang first harvest natin for today's video. Let's go! Ay. Baka mamali ako ng ano. Yan. Let's go! First harvest of the year. Madumi yung koko. Kasi nag-garden. Nilipat ko yung carrots. Yes. Malambot na siya. Hinog na. Meron pa dito. How about this others, love? It's soft as well.
It's good.
I can pick.
Yeah.
Yes. Two more. How about this?
Need more.
This one.
This one is good.
Here.
This one need more.
This. It's soft as well.
No, it's need more.
This one. This.
This one.
It's soft.
It's good.
Yes. The best feeling. Your first harvest of the year. We
It's
have
your.
we have more. Our
It's
first
okay, you
harvest. It's ours, not only me. There's one more here.
Yes.
We have 5 tomatoes for today's video. Fresh from the garden. How about this one? Look at this one.
It's okay.
We can pick.
No.